Hi and welcome to my channel this morning. This is the last shave test of the A.J.Jordan 7-day set. Earlier in the week we did Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Not Thursday, as I mentioned earlier, because it's beyond repair. So today I'm going to be shave testing Saturdays and Sundays. I was going to do this shave test a couple of days ago, but I've had eye infection, just a little bit red here due to the pollen at the moment. All the trees and hedges are in full blossom and it creates a hell of a lot of pollen. Anyway, so this is the 7-day set, just to refresh your memories. We've done Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday, so we're just going to do this last two, Saturday and Sunday. All of these razors will pop a hair or pass the hanging hair test anywhere along the blade. So I'll do this half with Saturday and the other half of my face as usual with the Sunday. I have to say that these blades are all consistent. All quite bright. The edge of these blades are really fine. Probably the finest I've ever seen of a straight razor. The handles, but okay. Ivory handles, I believe. So this is the last video of Old Faithful, as they were known. I think it actually says Old Faithful there. You'll see in the photographs anyway in my Etsy shop. All these blades are identical in weight. Shave consistency, balance, and looks, they're all the same. We had a trip out to Ljubljana yesterday. To collect the train tickets to Budapest. We're planning a trip to Budapest in July. Normally you can book your train tickets online. But to take advantage of this offer to an 8-hour train ride to Budapest, you have to go to the railway station and actually pay for them physically, not online. So I don't think Budapest does things like electricity, computers and things, maybe. But the point of the exercise was to buy some extremely cheap train tickets to Budapest. And would you believe, €9 each way, so €18 for a return trip to Budapest. So that's a shave test over with for Saturday's razor. So now on to Sunday. I'm using Pro Raso Red for this shave test. Really good soap. Enriched with sandalwood. Ljubljana was really busy yesterday. Market was really intense. There were some guys there with barbecuing pork ribs. And hillbilly burgers. And alarmingly, it was quite full of Japanese. It's getting more like Venice here. Japanese are just taking over the bloody place. Last time I went to Venice, there was hundreds, thousands of Japs. Not about anything wrong with Japanese people, but you walk down the Grand Canal and all the restaurants there, all the menus are in Japanese. Incredible. I was saying this morning when I was just strapping these razors up, how your life changes. 40 years ago, I would have been outside this morning, around about 4 o'clock in the morning, in my landy, with my shotguns and my 2 dogs. Be out shooting pheasants, rabbits, wood pigeon. And doing a bit of pest control. Never shot any deer. Never had to urge to shoot any bigger game. It's all a bit too premeditated for my taste. That was 40 years ago, and wild horses wouldn't have stopped me from getting out. I used to travel for miles to go to clay pigeon shoots and things. And look at me now on a Sunday morning, doing a shave test for a YouTube channel. What's that about? Anyway, that's Sunday's shave test over with. Nice blades, very delicate. All very clean. On both sides, you can see there. Just a shame about Thursday's blade, but there you go. Okay, so thanks very much for watching, and coming up next week I'll be shave testing another 7-day set by Wilkinson Sword. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye for now.